In this video, we activate Windows product key. So for this, you need to go for settings, click the settings, and you need to go to system settings and scroll down. And here you can see the activation is there. Click the activation settings, and now you can see the activation state for me is already activate. So once you need to check with your Windows, and after that you go with upgrade your yes, this option. And in this you have seen the change product key is there and upgrade is there using Microsoft app. So you need to go with anyone or go with a change, click change, and you need to type the following product key if you have. If you not have, means you need to go to browser and you need to type the following text. Windows, if you're using Windows, go with Windows 11. If you're using Windows 10, go with Windows 10. If you're using Windows 11, go with Windows 11. And in this scroll down, Windows 11 home single language download is there. If you click this, you have seen the official website of Microsoft is there. You need to buy and download the keys. So for this, you need to have the right side, you have the add to cart is there. You need to click it and download it. And after download, come to the settings, and you need to paste the following key in this section. And after that, click next the following option. This is how to do. Thank you.